I've been selling on Amazon since 2017. I've made millions of dollars thanks to the FBA model. I've also uploaded 1,000 plus YouTube videos. I've coached over 4,000 students across the globe, and I've built an amazing life that I'm super proud of thanks to this business. But over the last 12 months, I've been quiet. And here's the truth. I basically quit Amazon FBA. And today I want to give you an update. Now, it's not what you're thinking. I didn't quit the actual selling. Rather, I quit the content side of things. I just got burnt out. I was done mentally, emotionally, even strategically. And as I've been in the trenches myself for the last 12 months, I've also seen the landscape of Amazon FBA completely change. Fees have been increasing, tariffs have been cutting into margins, tools that used to be reliable started giving trash data. What used to work just didn't anymore. And as I thought more about it, is it worth it? I knew very quickly that the selling on Amazon is 100% worth it. I've been doing that for the last 8 years. I've sold 15 million plus. I've profited millions. My brands still to this day make me 5 figures plus per month. And the amount of effort that I'm putting in is not that much. And so I knew, yes, I'm going to continue building my brands. So that kind of led me to two options. I can continue building my brands and live in peace and stop creating the content. Or option two, I can continue building my brands, but pivot and rebuild everything from the ground up and share what is actually working right now because Amazon has changed. And as I thought about it, I was like, yeah, there's no way. Rebuilding everything, my guides, my templates, my trainings, my courses, we're talking about 6 years of content and education that is out there on the internet. How am I going to change that? And so at first I was like, yeah, no, thank you. I'm going to just live in peace. And I basically kind of fought that for the last 6+ months. I'm just going to build my brands in peace. I'm not going to worry about it. But the more I got into my DMs, the more I started reading my comments, the more people that I saw in person telling me how much of an impact I've had in their life, how they've been able to quit their 9-to-5 job, how they've been able to buy their dream car, how they've been able to purchase a house, how they've been able to help compensate and provide for their family when times are difficult. Those moments are what got me re-inspired, re-motivated, and excited about option two. And so that is what we're doing. We're taking option two. I want to continue building my brands, but I'm going to rebuild everything from scratch. And I've been doing that for the last 2 months. It's been brutal. It's been hard, but I know it's going to be worth it. And I'm excited for you guys to take advantage of it. So this video is me kind of announcing my comeback. We're coming back bigger, stronger. We've got new strategies. We've got updated strategies. Again, most of what's on the internet right now is outdated because most of what's on the internet was filmed years ago from people like me years ago. And most of the people that are posting content aren't in the trenches anymore. And so that's when I was like, you know what? I'm doing everyone a disservice by not coming back and sharing the most up-to-date strategies. That's what this channel started on. That was the bread and butter of this is the most up-to-date YouTube channel when it comes to selling on Amazon. And it hasn't been for the last 12 months, I'll be honest. And it's because, again, I took a step back. I was burnt out. I was not as motivated as I am now. But we're coming back bigger, stronger. And so there's 3 things that I want to just kind of wrap up this video with. The first is, I kind of already mentioned this, but people keep asking me, Trevin, do you still sell on Amazon? Is the opportunity still good? The answer is yes, I still sell on Amazon and I have not stopped. Again, my brands are still crushing it. And the opportunity is still there if you know what you're doing, if you are not following the outdated strategies. And that was, again, one of the biggest problems. And so that's why I had to kind of pivot and just rebuild from scratch. So that's the first thing. The second thing, for my existing students, my clients, people that have trusted me for the last 5+ years, I got you. I'm hooking you up. I'm grandfathering you in to all my new trainings, templates, guides. Be on the lookout. I'm excited for that. And I'm excited to make an even bigger impact than we did previously. So that's really good news if you ask me. And the third thing is Amazon has changed. What used to work doesn't. Yes, there may be some similar principles that carry over, but the dynamic and the competition and the barrier to entry and how to succeed now is way different than it was last year, 2, 3, 4 years ago. So just be careful what content you are watching. And that is why I am telling you right now, I have new fresh content coming. I have new strategies coming. Again, all my guides and templates, I'm rebuilding from the ground up. And so I just want to make sure that you guys have the most up-to-date information when it comes to selling on Amazon. So I'm super excited with these changes. I know it's not going to be easy, but it's going to be worth it. And we're going to shake up the entire industry and we're going to make an even bigger impact. So if you guys are looking to just get started, so you're a beginner and you're like, okay, is now the time to sell on Amazon? This might be your sign. Or if you launched a product and you failed and you're like, okay, I think it's time to give it a second shot, or you're looking to scale, then I want you to join my brand new school community group. You guys can get a 7-day free trial. It is 67% off right now. You guys can click the link down below, join, again, completely free, access the 6+ courses, access the community, access the live calls, see the value firsthand. And if you want to continue paying, then continue to pay. But if not, get your value and build your brands, build your businesses, go and change your life. I know that Amazon has completely changed my life and thousands of my students. And so the question is, why can't it change yours? So I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that this motivates you to get back in the game and to start selling and to really take your life by the horns and take control, take ownership, and build something that you are proud of. Because I know what I have built, I'm super proud. And the new school group, I'm super proud. The impact that I've been able to make, I'm super proud. But I'm not done. I'm not finished. I have a lot more to give. And that's what this video is all about. So yes, I quit. Not in the way that you think, but I'm back, bigger and better. If you guys have been supporting me since day one, I appreciate you. You mean the world. The comments, the likes, the messages, it seriously means the world. And if you guys are new, subscribe. Get ready for some amazing content, and we'll see you in the next one.